Mmm, so delicious. Hi friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to make chocolate cake. So follow me and let's do it together. So we have our oil here. The measurement of the oil, I use this very cup. It's cassette cup. You can use any cup of your choice. So I use half of the cup. So we have chocolate powder. Chocolate powder. I'm using this product, Benko product. So I'm using baking powder, just one sachet of baking powder. I have 4 eggs. I have a sour cream. I have my flour here. I'm using 2 cups of this flour. So I'm using the vanilla sugar. So I am using 2 sachets of vanilla sugar. So let's go. So I have this measurement of sugar. So I will turn on the oven 180 degrees up and down before I start mixing. 4 eggs. Then add your sugar. I take my mixer. Until the sugar dissolves inside. So let's mix the dry baking powder, vanilla sugar, 2 packets of vanilla sugar, so I'm adding my sour cream to the sugar and egg that I mixed before. Mix well again. So I'm adding my chocolate powder. So I'm adding my oil. So the next one, I'm adding my flour. So we want to put it in our baking pan. This is the paper I'm using. I'm spraying this one for our baking pan so that it will be very easier to bring it out. You can call it butter spray or the baking spray. So let's put it in our oven. 45 to 60 minutes. So let's check our cake. It's tight. I'm using this knife. You see it's not fully. So I'm through with it. You can use fork or whatsoever that you have just to test the middle if it's okay. So let's remove the baking pan. This is our cake. So let's leave it for 10 minutes to cool down before we cut. So let's bring it out. You can see with the spray it's very easy. So our chocolate cake is ready. So this is how it looks like. So let's test it. So delicious. So thank you for watching. Try this cake and leave your comment. Subscribe and watch out for the next video. Bye. God bless you.